Hey guys, it's Herbe. Today I want to show you how you can easily speed up the performance of your HP ProBook by installing an SSD. The only thing that you need is a small screwdriver and of course an SSD. You can buy a M.2 SATA based SSD or a 2.5 SSD. So let's start. In the first step, we have to remove the battery. In the next step, we need the screwdriver to open the case. We have just remove the one screw and then we can open the case. And then we see the old hard disk and the empty M.2 slot where I wanna install the new SSD from Crucial with 500 gig. So first off, we wanna remove the old hard disk, and we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. We have to open it and then we can remove the hard disk. Now the screws are gone and you can remove the hard disk by pull to the right and then it's easy to remove the old hard disk. If you have a 2.5 inch SSD, you have to put it in there. There are another 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that you can remove the old hard disk and put instead of this the new 2.5 SSD, and then you do it in the other way around. So for me, I just have to remove it and put in the new one in the empty slot. So we take the SSD and put it in a 45-degree angle. And then we need the screw, it's part of the bundle by Crucial, and just go through the SSD down with the finger and put in the Crucial screw, and now the installation is finished and we just have to put back the case cover and the screw from it. Last step, we take the R-code package and put it back, and the job is